everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I will be sharing with you how I created this winged eyeliner. I've been getting requests on one of my videos. I can't remember which one. I was trying to look back on which one. A lot of you are asking to do an eyeliner tutorial, so this is how I created mine. Very simple. This is like my everyday go-to wearable, easy makeup eyeliner that I pretty much do on a daily basis. Sometimes I do go heavy when I have like extravagant makeup looks. It just depends if I have the time. But if you would like to see how I created it and what I use, and just go ahead and please keep on watching. I just want to mention a few products. I have a few different kind of eyeliners that I personally love to use. Right now I have the NYX matte liquid liner, which is a brush tip. Looks like this. This is a little bit more if you are advanced in doing your eyeliner. I always mention when you're trying to do eyeliner with a brush tip, just practice. The more you practice, the better you'll get at it, and have a steady hand. If you are beginning with especially a brush tip, if you hold your elbow against like your desk or something, just somewhere where you have some more stability, you're able to do your wing liner. Right now I have two that I use. These are from Cosmetics. I actually like the NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner, which is only like $8, but these are kind of similar. They are a felt tip. One is a little bit more brush tip. This is a semi-matte finish, kind of like the Epic Ink Eyeliner. I like a matte finish depending on what you like, but I always mention when doing your eyeliner is to look down at a mirror, not straight up, because if you look straight up you can't really tell. You kind of mess up. If you look a little bit, if you tilt your head back a little bit, just like this, you're able to see the entire lid space. So what I like to do is, just put my mirror down here, is for me, I like to start from outside and in. There's so many different tutorials that provide different examples. Like you can use a card to like hold down here to have like that perfect eye shape, perfect eyeliner. It really depends on the person. You honestly have to just practice. The more you practice, the more you get better at it. The tail of my brows, like the guide, is where I kind of want to have that little flicked out wing, so I like to just stamp it. Like, why is this not marking? Let me use the other one. So I like to basically just stamp a little line like this, so you can already see it's already gonna form. Let me do the other one. Sometimes the eyeliner will just do the work for you pretty much. And then at this point, I will start bringing from outside to in. And then you just start filling it in like this. You just start filling it in from here. Okay, sometimes that happens, so oh, my eyes got really watery, but I will fill in where you can see my skin. Get towards the inner corner of your eye. Just small little strokes, kind of like with my eyebrow tutorial. Small strokes will help you get more precise. But okay, if you mess up like this, you can use a Q-tip and clean it up. But for whatever reason, if you end up messing up your wing completely, like you have one really longer than the other or more shorter than the other, like this one, like you can totally see like this one's more sharper and this one's like more curvy. I like to use the NYX Hydro Touch primer and a clean brush like this, and I'll just clean it up. I learned this tip from a coworker at NYX. She's a friend now. She's the one who taught me how to do this. So if you do this, you can also do it on your client. If you mess up, this will give you that more precise. See, there you go. There you go. So you just clean it up from the inner corner. If you're still not happy with your wing, you can just go back over where you have a little flick here and connect the outside to the inside, just this little area. But this is like my everyday work appropriate, I guess, like natural eyeliner. I don't know. Sometimes it has its days, sometimes it's like flaky AF. It really depends. Like if I have enough time, like I will put in the time. Today I have enough time, and I just wanted to show you like my standard eyeliner that's good for work, errands, just easy makeup pretty much. But like I said, if you have anything that's like a pen type of eyeliner, Milani makes a great one, NYX makes a great one, L'Oreal has one that looks like a pen. So yeah, so if you have anything that has looks like a pen, felt tip, so much more easier, more controlled, kind of does the work for you a little bit. And like I said, the more you practice, the more you get better at it. So thank you again so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.